In this video, we will hear from American entrepreneur, best-selling author, and founder of Global LLC and Rich Dad Company, Robert Kiyosaki. Rick rules a highly experienced investor within the natural resource industry's investment marketplace. He has worked with hundreds of international operations and is a highly sought-after investment speaker.
When I was your age, I was in Vietnam. I was flying for the Marine Corps when my rich dad sent me a letter saying, watch out, the world's going to change. And the world changed because President Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard on August 15th, 1971. But he warned me that the world would change, and I didn't really understand it at the time.
The biggest news of all was that Warren Buffett dumped bank stocks, and he dumped airline stocks, and he got into Birch Gold. In other words, he shifted into gold mining, and he and his buddy Munger have badmouthed gold forever. And so that is the biggest news of all, because it says something is really fundamentally changed in America. I mean, foundationally.
I'm a Marine pilot flying off a carrier off the South China Sea, and I find out Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard. I said, what does that mean? So I flew behind enemy lines because the NVA had overrun the mine. So I proving Marines aren't the brightest guys on earth. And I try and buy gold at a discount. So I knew it was 35 an ounce. And the day I went looking for gold, it was $50 an ounce. And I was trying to get the little Vietnamese woman with red teeth. I still remember her. I was trying to get a discount. I want a discount. She goes, spot. I said, discount. She goes, spot. I said, what the hell is she talking about? She was one of my best teachers on gold I ever met. And the reason I'm a rich man today is because, I knew something was wrong. So today, the reason the world economy is crashing goes all the way back to 71. And today, I literally own tons of gold and silver. I don't care about what the price is. All I care about is how many ounces physical gold and silver I know, no ETFs. My rule of thumb, as you know, if you can print it, I don't want it. Since we're on a gold channel, I'd say your biggest thing is put yourself on a gold standard and silver standard.
The worst enemy of the U.S. dollar, rather than being external, is from within. In the first instance, we are doing our very best to wreck the value proposition around U.S. Treasury securities. We're doing that because we're profligate issuers. We owe, on a recourse basis, $32 trillion to ourselves and other people. And by the way, off balance sheet through Medicare and Medicaid, another $100 trillion. $130 trillion in debt, and we promise to service this with a budget that's in deficit $2 trillion a year. You don't dig yourself out of a hole by digging deeper, which is precisely what we're doing. The damage being done to the U.S. dollar, the damage being done to the U.S. franchise, comes out of Washington, D.C.
Gold's track record is clear, and so is the U.S. dollar's. Fiat currencies have come and gone, but all the while, gold and precious metals have stood the test of time. Get started protecting your retirement savings today. See the links in the video description to get access to the free gold investment guides from the best gold IRA and gold investment companies that we have personally researched and vetted. You have nothing to lose, but you have wealth to keep. Thank you for watching.